Want to create a professional-looking video opening in seconds? Or make your video feel cinematic from the very first frame? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a cool opening like this. Hi, welcome back to CapCut Desktop Tutorial for Beginners. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a cinematic opening just like the preview you saw earlier. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial. First, import your photos or video clips into the timeline. Here, I'm using 10 clips, but you can adjust based on your needs. Make sure you set your video ratio and remove original audio if your clips contain sound. Next, trim each clip to 0.1 seconds or 3 frames. Then add keyframes at the beginning and end of each clip on the first keyframe. Change the scale to 200%. Repeat the same steps for the remaining clips. After that, copy the first clip and place it at the end of the timeline. Then extend the duration to create a smoother transition. Now, play the video to preview the result. Next, add sound effects to make it more dramatic. Here, I'm using riser_01. Adjust the sound effect length to match your clips. Then go to the effects menu. Search for Chrome Blur and add it to the timeline. Trim the effect at the last keyframe. Then play again to see the final result. And that's it. You've successfully created a cool cinematic opening for your video. In the next tutorial, we'll learn more cool editing. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, or follow this CapCut Beginner series. See you in the next tutorial.